Sonny's hooked up and his drone's in there.
That's my friend Sonny. He's reeling in a fish. He was flying his drone when a fish grabbed his bait, so he had to pick up his rod and reel the fish in, so he handed me the controller for his drone, which turned out to be a bit of a mistake.
Can you film it with the drone?
I don't know, where is the drone?
I don't know. Oh, it's a big fish, I think.
Oh no!
Where is it? Oh, it's over there.
Oh, I was too busy watching you. Oh, I'm bringing it straight back here. Oh!
It's not my line, that's why.
I can't believe. Look at the back's open and everything. Well, look where the battery goes.
Oh, it's open. Oh,
Yeah, because I hit the tree.
how did you do that?
Didn't you hear it hit the tree?
Yeah, I saw it.
Watch out for the line. I'll bring it back here. I'll land it before I kill it. I can't believe that flap's open.